Come test drive this 2004 Toyota Highlander. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.